Yo, what guys, we are back with another video. We are going to be doing some Pokemon card opening. This one looks, all three of these look weird, but let's see if the card didn't get damaged. Hopefully my hand doesn't turn blue after this. No damage. Okay. 3, 4. Ooh. I saw a very old card on the back. Could that old card be? Could it be vintage? It's a vintage Naganadel. In the 1940s, I think. I don't know, just maybe. We're sleeping. Okay. 2. And let's go down the side. Please, please, please. Okay, yeah. Come on. Sorry. Okay. And we get a Tapu Bulu. What in the world happened? Let's take the card out fast, brother. What happened? What happened? At least the cards aren't damaged. They're just wet. I don't know what happened to this one. Hey, a Tapu Fini. We just don't want to end it like that. We just let's open up more. We don't want to just end it like that. Nobody likes that. Nobody just cuts out the video so fast in like 2 minutes, bro. This is a YouTube video. Okay. What? How many star V's did I get? Oh, did I just get a whole pack of Star V? Sounds scary, but we got 20 cards. Okay. Never mind, this is not 20. Oh my god. Like, ultra rare, right? And there they are. The beautiful Jazz. Bop. Okay, I'll just let you guys see. We're just leaving. Oh my god, but there's more. I think these sleeves will do. I like 200 sleeves. If you're wondering what that 200 sleeves looks like, just hit that. I heard them off Shopee if you're in the Philippines. Yeah, I live in the Philippines. So you're wondering why I'm speaking like this English? But I really do. But I'm not American. Kinda, cause when I was 3, I went to visit my aunt. America, and then I stayed there for 3 years. Okay, next one. My God, we can't have all of these Starvies because we want random packs. Oh dear God, this is bad. Basketball? Oh my God, there they are. Okay, I think we should throw this strawberry back in there. Let's go. Leave it. Leave it. What? Really? That's not enough sleeves? Cliffhanger on this. Okay, let's get this two. One and two. Let's go up to the next one. Star V. It doesn't feel that much of a Star V because it's only a little bit of stuff in it, so it should be safe. Like, what? Vintage. Okay. See that Metro's tag team. Get rid of those. I can't even say anything because too crazy. So do I like, yeah, bro? $280, bro. The Gatsby King. And a Gyarados? I think this, yeah, this is from Dragon Majesty. Okay. Last one. Pop. 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 Come on. Fine. Pop. I want more Pokemon cards. Let's go ahead and pick. Out. Okay. Yep. Pokemon Madness. Let's go ahead. Try to search. Look at Pokemon cards. We'll go search on the net. Okay, search. Search down there. Is this Starvey? Nope, no Starvey. Yep. What the? No. It feels like a Dollar Tree. Okay. Nice looking skulls. We found 3. So. This is some more like Dollar Tree pack. Steam Sage. Okay. Okay. Larvitar and Wii. Wow. Okay. I think this is a mystery game. Okay, anti. What else? Marowak. The Bristol. Okay, that. Hey, we got a Decidueye. Two Decidueyes. Decidueye party in here. There's so much Decidueyes. And I want to buy. Get it? Decidueye. And Y. Yeah, okay. To Courtney. Okay, I think after this, thank you guys for watching my video. Honestly, have a good weekend of school. Not that kind of weekend, not Saturday, Sunday. Just have a good weekend. Goodbye.